Hello, hello, darling. Hey, welcome to Blue Bike and Doors channel. And Dickin ran in the shed. I'm redo with Johnny, and we redoing the whole truck of the POS 10. Y'all gonna get tired of seeing POS 10, so we gonna redo the. We gonna recover them because this be the second time I did it. Well, this is the new improved door panel that we just redid. So right in an intro, we'll dive into Upholstery 101 or 2, 3. Hi, welcome back to another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. I did 85% gooder on this, recovering it. But we're gonna do some. I want to tie in the spiderweb theme. Ooh, ladybug. Boo. So that'll come later. Gotta do some welding, you know. Woohoo! Things been going off all day. So anyway, I made these things. You looking or you looking over there? Anyway, there it is. Don't look too bad if you don't look too close. It's a 20-footer, you know. Keep the doors shut and everybody thinks it's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna put these. I made these rings around the roses. I'm gonna stick them up like this and run the bars down and around. Kind of help take you off the impression. But anyway, let's should have let this thing get warm up. But we're gonna use this. What left of it? I got a whole new row, 2 yards of it. But we gotta redo, as we say, Johnny redo stuff. So we gotta redo the whole bed too because it's nasty looking, and I want to make it look better. Everything we do is nice, but we do it twice. Alright. Let's set this up here. Oh, I need to drill a hole so I know where that hole's at. See, it's so close to that thing. But the good news is, that's what the other one is too. And I just eyeballed it. Eye chronometer. Let's drill that hole too. Done. Alrighty. Just gonna lay this on here. Make sure we got enough. Yep. Get my scissors. Did I put them up properly? Yep. Cut off the excess. Alright. We're using, which one did I use last time? Probably this one. We got 3M Super Strength. Super, you know, we're the only country that writes different languages on the can. You go to UK and they don't rewrite stuff. I don't know, they might. But anyway, you don't go to another foreign country and like Nicaragua or somewhere, or Venezuela or Mexico, they won't have English wrote on their food or any other product you be buying in there. Why did I go on that talent? I don't know. Ladybugs, get out of here. So let's spray this down. Probably says shake well. Shake well. I don't know, Will. Oh, well. This fiberglass thing turned out pretty good. I kind of wish I could do some more. And cover your upholstery too. Let it tack up. Next time I put on gloves just to keep from getting that glue on me. All these Black Friday sales coming out. Woohoo! Global Freight, Harbor Freight, Dickin, JP Cycles, Slang Mod. I'm all getting these Texas or not. Text from these people telling me earlier. Black Friday sales. I told y'all, ladybugs, y'all gonna get posted if you're not careful. Stuff ain't like super glue, so you ain't gotta worry about it sticking instantly. Well, where you going, these things? I need a better tripod, don't I? You too tall to stand up? Leaned over too far, ain't you? That's what you are? I guess. I'd like to get it. Oh, I gotta get me on that. Some anyway. Try to put them down the bottom when nobody see them. Like I said, I used a heat gun last time, didn't I? Let's put a little heat on the subject. Ladybug. Ladybug. That helps a lot. Kinda. Better than it was. Don't look too bad. Pull and stretch. You know what I didn't do? I didn't do is trim the excess off the felt from the fiberglass. I did the other one. We'll figure that out. I had a couple of places, but you can't get it all out. Hot dog, I like it. Hot dog. I can shut the door so the sun wouldn't glare. But there you have it. Don't look too bad. Kind of okay. Okay for what it is, what it's going in. Like I said, the bad parts is on the bottom. And I did a better job than this one that I did the other one. Kind of make me want Johnny to redo it. We're not. It is what it is right now. Dang, these ladybugs. It's everywhere. Ladybugs. Let's look at them some of them. Can you see them? All over the place. Ah! Do they bite? Yes. They will bite. If provoked. You're up to seeing that one. Kind of do look like I need to redo that one. I'll let it go. I ain't got no motivation to redo stuff right now. Or let's keep moving forward. So I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial on how to kind of upholstery something. Heat, stretch, glue, good glue. Anyway, go check out that video there. That one there. Still got to go and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you down the road somewhere. Maybe. If you come to an event.